So, good morning, students. We have discussed about the chapter that is equality in Indian democracy in an online class also and in offline class also. Both I have discussed this chapter. So, in this chapter, we have seen equality means what? Equality means the state of being equal, and the democracy means what? The power of the people. So, you have written in the top of the lesson, yes or no? Top of the chapter you have written the meaning of the chapter, that is equality means the state of being equal, and the democracy means what? The power of the people. So in this video you will see some highlight point of the chapter. Okay, the first, as we discussed, that equality means what? Ensuring that every individual or a group of individuals are treated fairly and equally without any discrimination. There should not be any discrimination, okay? And the next, we have also discussed about the democracy, that no person or a group of person is injustice or discriminate against any ground. There should not be discrimination or injustice in any ground. Next, we have seen also forms of inequality. The three forms, that is gender, in status of man and woman in the society that exists in our Indian society. Then caste inequality, it is divided our society on the basis of caste. Our society has given a tag of so-called high caste, low caste and untouchable. Untouchable means what? Forbidden of touch. Then also we have discussed about the discrimination also we have discussed about the religious inequality. That is, religious inequality means what? Religious discrimination is treating a person or group differently because of particular belief which they hold about religion. Means whatever the belief they have there in a religious, this is the reason where there is a religious discrimination. Or also in our country we have a caste discrimination. With the basis of caste we divide our society, okay? And also gender inequality, the status of men and women in our society also there in our India. In our India, here the male child is preferable than the female child. Because of that only there is a forticide. Forticide means what? Destruction or abortion. Next, we have discussed about the principle of equality. Here, equality is right to equality. It is our fundamental right, where every citizen get equal status and opportunity. Equal before law, every citizen should consider that if it is a prime minister also or ordinary citizen also, or rich or poor, if they are violate any law, they will be punishable. Then no individual can be discriminated there on the basis of race, caste, religious or place or gender. That's abolition then of title, okay? Then government ensure equality. How government ensure equality? Government ensure equality that women to participate in decision making, giving equal share in the property of their father. Then dowry from the women may be punishable offense. Equal wages to men and women for equal work. Provide free education to disabled child, mean special child. Reservation in the basics of caste, that is scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward caste. The last one is the reservation of job for religious minority. There also government has ensured that there should be reservation of job in the minority basis also. As government has also ensured the reservation in the basis of caste. The government has also on the basis of caste, they are ensuring the reservation like scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and other backward caste. And also the government have provide free education to disability child, and the Disability Act has passed in 1995. Okay, 1995 the Disability Act has been passed, and equal wages to men and women for equal work. There should be equal remuneration for both men also, for women also. There should not be any discrimination, and the Remuneration Act has passed in 1976. Okay, remember that Equal Remuneration Act has been given in 1976. Remuneration means what? Payment. And there is Disability Act in 1995. This is very important, you have to keep it in mind. Okay, and the dowry from women made a punishable offense. What? Punishable offense. So women by giving equal share in the property of the father. Next, we have also discussed about the schemes and programs to improve the life of the disability community. So yes or not? So like midday meal in all the government elementary school, then educational scholarship to students, then educating girl child from the tribal, Dalits and the Muslim communities. The Dalits means what? The lower caste. Okay. So the government has given some schemes to a midday meal to the elementary school, means the government school, so that the poor children will go to school and have they started attending school regularly, as it improves the attendance also. They think that they will get the food in the school, so they will go regularly to the school. For that's why the government has ensured, or government has given this scheme, midday meal. Then also given education scholarship and educating girl child. Next, we have discussed about what is the reason for inequality. The two reasons: lack, poverty and the lack of resource, and the inequality on the basis of caste, religious, gender. So we have seen how inequality is based on the caste, religious and gender. You have already discussed this thing, yes or not? So this reason is very important. For what reason? In our country still inequality exists. So this is the two reasons for which our country has exist inequality. Next come inequality in other democratic countries. Now other democratic countries also have inequality. In a what form? You will see one small example that African American contribute to staff a life of segregation. Segregation means what? Separation. Humiliation means what? Ashamed and indignity. How? They did not enjoy equal right. Okay, they are not allowed to mix with whites. As we know, the African people are black, so they are not allowed to mix with the white peoples. They are traveling in a public transport. They are supposed to offer a seat to the white only. They will not offer to sit with a black person. So in this way, the racial discrimination is there in a other country also. But later in 1964, the civil right movement has started by African American. Okay, they have forced one act, and the American government has imposed that. Later we have discussed about the challenging for democracy. What are the challenging for democracy? Democracy means what? The government of the people, by the people and for the people. It's very important. Democracy means government of the people, by the people and for the people. And democracy can survive only if there is a equality for everyone. If there is equality in our country, then only democracy will be there. Then only our India will get a power to be called India is a democratic country. Then what are the factors that can be there is a democracy? What are the factors? First factor is that age-old belief, because of the religious beliefs, stereotypings, economic factors. Okay.